Hello guys, so we are going to see how to install MetaMask. MetaMask is a Google Chrome compatible wallet, and we'll be using that one because that's the top wallet used through the blockchain. So make sure you follow the right link, metamask.io. Then after you'll be in the page. You will be able to download the MetaMask wallet. So what we are going to do first, we're going to download it. It's compatible. You can use it on your phone, but I suggest you to use it on your desktop because there's more options and it's safer to use it in your desktop. So Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, you can use it in different browsers. Alright, so now we're gonna add it to Chrome. Just wait a bit. Let's add the extension. Alright, so now we can start. We're gonna choose first to do a new wallet. So we're not gonna use this option on the left, which is actually the recovery of an existing wallet. So no, we're not going to use that one. We're going to use the one on the right side, and we're going to create a new wallet. So it's in French, but I'm going to explain you at the same time. The layout will be the same anyway. So make sure you read this page before starting, just to know what you are going to do and just to know the safety around this wallet. So just never share your password, all the normal stuff. Never share your seed phrase that we're gonna see after. So first we are going to set our password. So this password can be any password. You're the one who decides what it is. It has to be a minimum of 8 characters. So now your password is done. Let's go to the next step. There's a video. I suggest you maybe to watch this video.
MetaMask is a new way to
the most
connect.
important part. It's about safety. So you'll be given 12 words called the seed phrase. It's your master key. So it's secret. Just keep it. The best way, they're suggesting you here 4 different ways to keep it. I suggest you to use the last one, which is to write it down in a piece of paper and maybe store it in different places. So never share this secret recovery phrase because it's very important. That's the way you are going to be able to get your data back when you'll be using another browser. So here are the 12 words. So you see bracket, purity, slam, Roman, sexist, present, blues, feel, parrot, abstract, school, and auto. So we're gonna save those. So as I told you before, I suggest you to write it down in a piece of paper, to not use any copy and paste. That's part of the safety rules. But here for this tutorial, we are going to copy and paste it, so you can see actually what's happening. You can see what's different from the comparisons that I'm gonna do. So here, the seed phrase, I'm just gonna put it here, right? Those are our seed phrase. We are going now to actually use this seed phrase just to make sure that we have properly recorded the seed phrase. And this is a confirmation that MetaMask is asking for us to be able to use it. Right, bracket, pretty, romance, after it was exist, present, just let me check, I don't remember. Right, so the next one, so here as you can see, it's in the right order. So make sure it's in the right order. If it is not, it's not gonna work. Alright, parrot, abstract, school, and auto. So from this you'll be able to go to the next screen. But let's say, for example, if you mixing them up, you won't see any button showing you the link to go to the next page. That means that your seed phrase is wrong. So just make sure it's in the right order. All right, now we have the wallet. Just to show you very quickly, here is the account. That's the public key, which is your wallet address. It's called the public key. So we're just gonna save it here. We'll need it later on. All right. So here we see the different networks. There's some testing networks on the principal Ethereum network, localhost, and you can also install some other networks like Solana or Polygon. I'm just changing network to show you, but you can stay in the main network, Ethereum, if you want. Rinkeby, that's the one we used for the Creditizens to do the testnet. So here it's another way also to access to your wallet address. All right, so that's your public key, wallet address, and we are going to export the private key. This is really important. You'll need your password, the one that you set at the beginning, to access to it. Here is the private key. I suggest you also to write it down on a piece of paper, but for the purpose of this tutorial we are going to copy and paste it. So copy and paste it just to have a kind of a resume of everything we did before, so you can compare later on. Here we are. Now you can create some other accounts, so you can have several public keys, create some more accounts, so you can have some more wallet address. You can also give them a name. So let's say we go here, the details, we just click here and we change the name. You put any name that you want. For example, this one, just a random name. All right, so just let's put it back to what it was before to not create any confusion. That's account 1. All right. So here it's a way to pin your wallet on the browser, so you can access to it directly from the browser, not in the page like that. And I suggest you to choose the first option here. That's the way you're gonna read, because whenever you connect on a website, you will see that MetaMask will be activated. So here you just put it on the option for it to not be activated automatically. So MetaMask will be accessible only if you click on it and you enter your password. It's a bit safer. So let's try to actually record and add a new RPC. We're gonna add the Polygon network. So the process will be the same for Polygon, for Solana, for any other network. So we're gonna copy the new RPC. The link, you see there are different ones. You can use any of them, but usually I use just the first one as it works for me. The name of the network. No, here is the name of the network. All right, and then we paste here the URL, the ID of the network, which is 137 for Polygon, and the currency is Matic, the symbol. All right, and the last one, the explorator, the Polygon scan. That's where you are going to see a summary of all the transactions. That's like your ledger. I have a little error. Did a little mistake. The URL PC. So you see here there's a leading space. So just get rid of the leading spaces. Otherwise it won't work. And the error disappeared. So now we can record it. All right. So now you see we are in the Polygon network. It's set, Matic, and all the accounts will be accessible now. We will have this access to this Polygon network. All right. After that, we disconnect. We are gonna actually delete the MetaMask extension, and we're gonna download it again because I want to show you how to recover your wallet. It's pretty important. So we're gonna add it again to the browser. This time we're not gonna use the option on the right side as before. So we're not gonna use this one. We're not gonna create a new wallet. We are going to actually use the secret recovery phrase to access to our wallets. Yes, this phrase here. I'm just gonna copy it because I'll need it in the next page. I need to indicate what the phrase is. So let's import it. This page again. Right, we're gonna paste it here. There's a secret recovery phrase. Even if it is in French, you see there's a mix of French and English in this page. I don't know why. Then you enter a password. It doesn't have to be the same as the password you said before. It's just a password to access to the wallet. And now we're back into the wallet. As you can see, the account is the same. Let's just compare. We create some other accounts. And you're gonna see that even the other accounts are the same. So when you recover a wallet, the sequence of accounts that you are going to create will be the same. So you'll get the same address after the other. Alright, so here we're just going to compare the wallet addresses, if it is the same, just for you to have an overview and see it. Wallet 1 of the new accounts created. Seed phrase, no, it's not this one yet. But let's put it here. Wallet recovery with seed phrase. Yes, that's what we did. Yeah, you can see that's the same. So it's equal, it's the same wallet. That's good. As before. All right, so we're gonna do the next step. Let's put this on the side. All right, let's disconnect. Let's get rid of the wallet again. Here, 3 dots on the side. We delete, and we are going to download again. And this time, I'm going to show you something else. That means we are going to create a new wallet, a fresh new wallet, which is completely different, has different seed phrase with different 12 words. So we're not gonna import anything, we're just gonna create a new one again. So here, let's say you're in another computer, you create a new wallet, which is completely different from the one that you had before. Set your password. Here is the seed phrase. You can see it's completely different. I'm just going to show you just to compare. So that's a different MetaMask wallet. So different seed phrase. As you can see, the seed phrase is different from the one that you had before. We have a completely new wallet, so we'll get new addresses, but we can recover our initial wallet, basically the one from the other account, because we saved the secret key. You remember? So saving the secret key gives you access directly to the wallet. It's like a pair. You have the public key and the secret key. So if you get the secret key, you get back the public key, so you have access to your wallet again. Let's see how we're gonna do that. So this is just to show you that the first account from this new wallet is completely different from the one that we created initially. Here we are, that's the one now, and that's the one we had before. As you can see, it's completely different. So we are in another MetaMask wallet, which is completely different from the one that we had before. Different, but we still can recover our wallets. That's good. So let's import. We're gonna use this option, import wallet, using the private key. Just get the private key here of the wallet one. So here is the private key. So don't forget, just write it down on a piece of paper. Don't do copy and paste as I'm doing now. This is just for the purpose of tutorial. And you see we got back our public key, so our wallet address from the other MetaMask account. So let's paste it somewhere just to see that it's the same. Wallet imported should be the same as other wallet from other. As you can see, secret key, and this is the wallet. That's the one we had before. Yeah. And here, that's the one. That's good. So those are tips in how to secure your wallet and how to use it. Not many people are using it this way, actually. And people just keep the seed phrase, and later on they might have issues to recover their wallet. I've been through different forums, and I see many people complaining about that. So I just wanted to create this tutorial so you know how to handle it. So just to know that you will have to recreate all the RPCs, so all the networks that you had before, to recover also those informations and to be able to use it.